daily topic is about the cell. In today's video, I am going to talk about the cell. Cell is building blocks of on of an organism. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural, functional, biological unit of all living organism. A cell is smallest unit of life. Cells are also called as building blocks of organism because all organisms are made up of cells. The study of cells is called cytology, and the study of cell-related disease is called cytopathology. Types of cell. There are mainly two types of cells: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are simple cells that do not have nucleus or complex cell organelles. Example: bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells are more complex cells and have nucleus and many different organelles. For example, plant cells, animal cells, fungi. There are also unicellular organisms which are made up of cells which are single cells like yeast, and there are multicellular organisms that are made up of many cells like animal cells. Cell structure or organelles of eukaryotic cells. Cells have different components which are known as cell organelles. All these organelles float in a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm, which is inside the cell membrane. One of these cells in human being that lacks almost one organelles are the RBCs. Some of the main organelles are in eukaryotic cells are: 1. Cell wall, 2. Cell membrane, 3. Endoplasmic reticulum, 4. Golgi apparatus, 5. Lysosomes, also called as suicidal bags of cells, 6. Mitochondria, 7. Nucleus, 8. Microfilaments and microtubules. Cell walls are present in plants. Cell wall is present in plant cells, which provides strength and protection. Animal cells don't have cell walls. Second, cell membrane. Plasma membrane. The cell membrane is like the protective outer layer of the cell. It is double layer made up of protein and fats. It provides protection, structural support, and control selective transport of substance in and out of cell through its permeability. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. The endoplasmic reticulum or ER is located around the nucleus and are of mainly two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in lipid synthesis. The function of endoplasmic reticulum is detoxification and conversion of toxic material into non-toxic material. Fourth, Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is stacked collection of flat vesicles. It is associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. The product from endoplasmic reticulum, that is protein, are modified and packed. It is also responsible for synthesis of lysosome. Fourth, lysosomes, thus also called suicidal bags of cells. Lysosomes are vesicles that breaks off from the Golgi apparatus. It varies in size and function. Lysosome contains enzymes that helps with the digestion of nutrients in the cell and also break down any cellular debris and or waste. Mitochondria, also called as powerhouse of the cell, these are the cells which produce energy. These are responsible for energy production in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. 7. Nucleus, also called the control center of the cell or master control of cell. The nucleus is like brain of the cell. It controls and regulates all cell activities like cell division, cellular metabolism, growth, DNA replication, and DNA replication inside the cell nucleus. Inside the nucleus contains nucleoplasm, like cytoplasm, which contains chromosomes, DNA. Nucleus is just an accumulation of RNA and protein. Microfilament 7, 8th, microfilaments and macrotubules. These are rigid protein substances. It forms the internal skeleton of the cell, known as cytoskeletons. Cytoskeletons hold and stabilize the cell and cell organelles.